Welcome once again. Let's talk about Teona Classic and Kucoin. Remember, all these days, Binance are the one that have been burning billions of Teona Classic, and Teona Classic also be getting massive support from Kucoin. Now, according to analysis, Kucoin can burn 12 billion coins of Teona Classic monthly if they fully start supporting the burning of Teona Classic. Kucoin. Now, the transaction that have actually been carried out by Kucoin shows that Kucoin, remember I think that was last month, Kucoin was able to stake over 47 billion coins of Teona Classic. 47 billion coins of Teona Classic was staked on Kucoin, staking alone. So the transaction on Kucoin since the beginning of this year have really increased. Now imagine this coin start burning just like the way Binance are burning. Kucoin can burn up to 12 billion coins of Teona Classic LUNC monthly, and if we can get Kucoin burning such amount of coins, and then with the one Binance have been burning, and also if we can get get.io crypto.com also to join, I think Teona Classic can burn up to between 20 to 50 billion coins in a single month. 20 to 50 billion coins. Initially, a lot of people believe that Teona Classic can burn up to 70 billion coins, but the way things are going, it all depends. But right now, the market cap have really dropped. The trading volume is not really high once again, unlike before. So if Teona Classic can get all these exchanges to start joining Binance to start destroying these coins, even though if all of them start, Teona Classic cannot still burn up to that amount once again because the trading volume of Teona Classic have really dropped. Remember, the 1.2% tax burn will be charged based on trading. So if we have a high volume, that's why we are going to get a high burning. So I still believe right now, based on the trading volume of Teona Classic, if all these exchanges start burning, Teona Classic can still burn up to 5 to 6 trillion coins in a day. So I think that will be giving us over 150 or 200 billion coins in a month. So that's still good for Teona Classic. Imagine LUSD destroying 200 billion coins in a month. I mean, this is amazing to see this coin destroy up to 200 billion coins in a month. And for me, it's still good. And that simply means in a period of 12 months, Teona Classic can burn up to 2.4 trillion coins. Yes, 2.4 trillion coins can be destroyed by LUNC in 1 year. Then if we are to destroy the 5.8 trillion, then definitely it will take Teona Classic about 2.5 years enough for Teona Classic to burn all this. But I don't think to reach that level, but I think Teona Classic can still burn these coins within the period of 1 year, maximum 2 years, if LUNC gets the other exchanges start destroying Teona Classic. But for Kucoin, yes, they are going to be one of the top exchanges that will be burning more Teona Classic than others. Binance are number one. They have been burning billions already, and we believe Kucoin will be second. That will be burning higher Teona Classic coin, except if Coinbase lists Teona Classic, then maybe any other thing might happen. I still believe that Teona Classic, before the end of next year 2024, trillions of Teona Classic will be destroyed, and when that happens, then Teona Classic will definitely hit a massive increase in price before the end of 2025. Kucoin is one of the biggest crypto exchange, and Kucoin since last year has been supporting Teona Classic massively, and we need that support to continue. We want other exchanges also to start supporting Teona Classic coin, because with that support, Teona Classic can still grow, Teona Classic can still bounce back. But right now, Teona Classic is experiencing a massive fall in price and also on market cap, and if nothing is done about this, LUNC might end up dropping below $400 million market cap or $300 million market cap, which is not good for LUNC. Now, Binance founder CZ have been burning, things have been posting, and we all know that crypto industry has been affected since last year, and we're in kind of a healing period. And I believe this year we are going to see coins and even new coins that will be dominating the market. When they look at the top 100 crypto coins, we have over 30 or 35 new coins that just joined the top 100 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Okay, most coins have actually dropped and most coins have actually vanished, and coins are coming, coins are going. So I still believe that some coins are here to stay. Terminal Classic is one of them. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.